Okay viewers, today I'm back with another video. How to solve Rubik's Cube. It is very easy and very easy. The first thing is, what you'll do is, you're gonna take on any color, maybe yellow, white, red or orange or something, and first turn this up and this to the right, and after that turn this down and this to the left. Like this you're gonna do 24 times. See? It's solved. Nothing. You can, means it is 24 moves, devil's move. It is very easy. See, I'll do in just 9 seconds. 1, 2, 3, count. See? And even this is very easy. And from this time, I'm gonna upload videos, means for the Rubik, about the Rubik's Cube, how to solve it, and very easy how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It is very easy. Nothing is going to work. Means if you buy a cube, don't panic. Just turn this up, turn this right side, this. Don't think this is a fast forward. This is done by me in this way. See, 1, 2, 3, go. Means from this video onwards, I'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube when it is shuffled, scrambled or something. And not only that, you can beat the world record. It is 5 seconds, but very difficult to break the world record. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.